great looking one in the shape of a yin-yang. So the real life one used black and white pebbles, but we are using concrete powder for this. And it won't be for everyone, but you never know, this might be just the decoration for your Japanese garden that you were looking for. And you can just ignore these polished diorite blocks around the outside. That is just marking out our 16 by 16 area. It's not actually part of the build. But I will point out that when you build this, don't just build the yin-yang, because it's all the stuff you build around it that really brings it to life. So I've designed this one for being built on the edge of your garden, so the bamboo up the back creates a nice little border. But if you want to build this in the middle of your garden, you probably don't want these huge bamboo blocking your path. So what I recommend is just copying what I've built out the front and repeat that up the back. Okay, let's jump straight into it, and the first thing we're going to do is build the circle for our yin-yang right in the middle of our 16 by 16 area. So that's the shape you need to build, so just use polished andesite blocks and bury them in the ground. Okay, next we're going to divide our yin-yang into its two separate parts. So we're going to start right here. We're going to knock out those 3 blocks, place 3 andesite, and do that in the exact same position on the opposite side of our yin-yang. Place another 3 there. Then we're going to go 1 and 1 on the diagonal toward the middle, and then 2 just like that. And we're going to begin with the section up the front here. So I want you to come along to this block right here. And what we're going to do is skip a block, then place a cobblestone slab right there. And staying with the cobblestone slabs, we're going to go there, there, and there. Then grab a cobblestone block, we'll place it in the middle, and then cobblestone stairs from that direction. Now we're going to switch to andesite slabs, and we're going to place one there, and then one right there. And then for the section up the back, come along to this block right here. We're going to skip a block, then place a cobblestone slab, then a cobble block, then a slab, and then another slab right there. Then you can switch to your andesite slabs. We're going to go one there and one there, and then cobblestone stairs. We're going to place them from that direction. Okay, so you can go ahead and dig out all the grass blocks inside of our yin-yang and grab your concrete powder. So we're going to be placing the white concrete powder in the front section, and in the back section the black concrete powder.